My name's ASHLEIGH TAUPAKI. I'm a sculptor, but I also write, take photos, I draw, all that kind of stuff. I grew up in West Auckland, so in Ranui, and now I'm in Wellington doing like policy work.
How does it feel to be showcasing your work or creative process from home?
It feels good. Yeah, I feel a lot calmer doing it at home and thinking, I don't know, it's kind of like how I post on Instagram anyway. It's like, this is my life. Here you go. Rather than I need to fit this into a specific context.
How important is it to showcase the lived experience of Moana, like artists?
It's pretty important. I mean,
Yeah.
we make up like such a huge population, and apparently like 1 in 3 or 1 in 4 babies being born in Auckland are Pacific. So it's like our future is going to be very Pacific. We need to keep representing Pacific people.